Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to our English class. Students, today we will do direct and indirect speech. Students, direct and indirect speech is also known as a narration. So, first of all, what is a narration? Narration is an act of reporting the word of the speaker. Okay, narration is an act of reporting the words of speaker. Okay, the words which are spoken by the speaker, it is a way to report those words. Okay, so there are two ways how we can report the words of the speaker. One is direct speech and one is indirect speech. Now let's discuss about them. So students, in direct speech the actual words of speaker are quoted as it is. मीन्स जो स्पीकर ने वर्ड्स बोले होते हैं उनको एज इट इज ही बोला जाता है एंड द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ स्पीकर आर इनक्लोज्ड इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. ठीक है, व्हेन वी राइट द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर, एक्चुअली जो वर्ड स्पीकर ने बोले होते हैं, वी इनक्लोज दोज वर्ड्स इन इन्वर्टेड commas. See the example here. John is asking Yogesh, what are you doing? Now Yogesh said, I am studying. So how we will write this in direct speech? Yogesh said, I am studying. So here said is a reporting verb and I am studying is a reported speech. So I am studying is in inverted commas. I am studying is are the actual words of the speaker, actual words of the योगेश. ठीक है, योगेश ने एक्चुअल में जो कहा आई एम स्टडिंग उसको एज इट इज इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में लिख दिया. दैट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. सो इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच द एक्चुअल वर्ड्स ऑफ स्पीकर आर कोटेड एज इट इज. जैसे स्पीकर ने बोला हो उसको एज इट इज ही लिख दिया जाता है इन द इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स. दैट इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट स्पीच. Let's see another example of direct speech. Here John is asking Lucy, which color skirt are you wearing? Then Lucy said, I am wearing white skirt. So we quote the exact words of the Lucy in inverted commas as Lucy said, I am wearing white skirt. So here I am wearing white skirt are the actual words spoken by the Lucy. So we have enclosed them in inverted commas. So direct speech, in direct speech we quote the actual words of the speaker in inverted commas. जो स्पीकर ने बोला उसको एज इट इज ही इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में कोट कर दिया जाता है. दो दैट द एक्चुअल वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर आर in direct speech. Now what is indirect speech? In indirect speech actual words of the speaker are transformed. Means जो एक्चुअल वर्ड्स स्पीकर ने बोले होते हैं उनको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया जाता है. ओके, दे आर सेड और रिटन इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज. दे ऑलवेज रिटन इन द सिंपल लैंग्वेज. मीन्स इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच वी हैव द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर जो स्पीकर ने बोले होते हैं एंड इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच थर्ड पर्सन जो होता है वो उन वर्ड्स को बोलता है अपनी लैंग्वेज में. ओके, इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज उसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होती है. Now let's see the same example of Yogesh and John. That Yogesh said, I am studying. So it is in direct speech. Yogesh said, I am studying. It is in direct speech. We have quoted the actual words spoken by the Yogesh in inverted commas. Now in indirect speech, Yogesh said that he was studying. Now here is a transformation. चेंज हुआ है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में थर्ड पर्सन बता रहा है कि योगेश ने क्या कहा. ओके, योगेश सेड दैट ही वाज स्टडिंग. नाउ what are the changes when we change the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech? First of all, removal of inverted commas. Okay, in indirect speech we don't use inverted commas. Okay, second one, there is a change in tense. There were I am. So here we use was. On place of am we use was. Present is changed into past. So second one is change of tense and third one is we have used the conjunction that. We have removed the inverted commas and we have used the conjunction that. Clear? So direct speech actual words spoken by the speaker and they are in inverted commas. And indirect speech, when we speak the words of the actual words of the speaker in our own language, जब हम किसी की कही हुई बात को अपनी लैंग्वेज में बताते हैं, so that is indirect speech. Clear? Now let's see the second example of John and Lucy. There, Lucy said, I am wearing white skirt. And it is in direct speech. Okay, Lucy said, I am wearing white skirt. We have quoted the exact words spoken by the Lucy in inverted commas. Now, in indirect speech, Lucy said that she was wearing white skirt. Now here we have transformed the words spoken by the Lucy in our own language. Okay, so students, I hope this is clear to you that in direct speech we quote the exact words of the speaker. जो speaker ने कहा होता है हम उन exact words को inverted comma में quote कर देते हैं. और जब हम किसी के कहे हुए words में अपने words को अपनी language में कहते हैं, that is indirect speech. Okay, and when we change the sentences from direct speech to indirect speech, we remove the inverted commas and we use that. Okay, and there is a change in the tenses also and in the pronouns also. Okay, so let's see the change in the tenses when we change the sentence from direct speech to reported speech or indirect speech. Simple present tense change into past tense. Present continuous tense change into past continuous. Simple past change into past perfect. Present perfect change into past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. Will, future tense will change into would. Can will change into could. May will change into might, and must will change into had to. Students, you have to remember all these things. You have to keep this in your mind that all the present tenses change into past tenses. Simple present, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Okay, simple past, past perfect. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. And in future tenses we only change will, shall. Okay, they will change into would, should, can into could. Okay, these are the models. Clear? And students, remember, pronouns also change when we change it from from direct speech into indirect speech. Like I will change into he or she, we will change into they, you will change into he, she or they, my will change into his or her, our will change into their, your will change into his, her, their. Okay, me will change into him or her, us will change into them, you will change into him, her, them. Okay, mine will change into his or hers, ours will change into theirs, yours will change into his, hers or theirs. Students, you have to keep all these points in your mind and you have to practice and practice these things. Now let's see some examples. First of all, the teacher said to us, you have not completed your drawing. So it is in direct speech. How we will write it into indirect speech? The teacher said to will change into told. Okay, said to will change, reporting verb will change into told. The teacher told, then us, and remove the inverted commas and use that. You will change into we. We have will change into had because present perfect change into past perfect. Had not completed our drawing. Your will change into are. Okay, so here we have changed the tense from present perfect to past perfect. We have removed the inverted commas and used that, and said to is changed into told. Okay, so everything you have to keep in your mind. Next, she said they have not eaten their meal. So first of all, she said, then we will remove the inverted commas and we will use that. She said that they have will change into had because present perfect change into past perfect. had not eaten their meals. Okay, here we will not change the pronoun because she is already speaking about the third person. Next, the teacher said, I have often told you not to play with fire. So, how we will change it into indirect speech? The teacher said that, here I will change into he. Okay, pronoun change. I will change into he. Then have, present perfect change into past perfect, had, often, told. You will change into me, not to play with fire. Okay, see next, direct speech. The brother said to me, you have missed the point completely. So how we will write in indirect speech? The brother told me, said to will change into told me, and remove the inverted commas and use that. You will change into I, have, present perfect change into past perfect, had, missed the point completely. So students, I hope you understood what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Direct speech are the actual words of the speaker, and indirect speech the words of the speaker spoken by another person in his or her own language, and there are some set of rules which we have to follow while changing the sentence from direct speech into indirect speech. So thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.